Guys, back with this washing machine, which I've half destroyed in attempt 1. It's now tuned for attempt 2. Just could have said that it was coming soon, but now I'm making it now. But this washing machine literally just on the side this time, so hopefully this washing machine works. Before we're throwing the stone in this time. Okay. My arm. Stop. Phew. Oh God, I was almost lost. I just escaped. I was done. Okay, it was done. Well. Move the phone out of the way. Oh my God! Oh, I just. Oh my God! It's the front now. Oh my God. Hey, just. Oh shit. This one. I don't need this anymore. See, they always do. Just the Spanish blue, Spanish Dorsey blue, Dorsey off. Please. God. Oh, they don't get me. Back to this washing machine. This washing machine must have running something, I guess. Let's turn this off. Oh my God, the battery. Battery exploded now. Oops, fell. Okay, guys. Let's see the aftermath of the washing machine now. That's all gone down. piece dead now, so okay. Wash. Okay, well, back in the garage now. Could have been suitable for the stone, so I have one right there, but it's too late now. It's already been destroyed. Million. It's now definitely. So the washing machine definitely had it. It's probably because door seal just blew. They run in time to catch the door. Now the door seal's still right here, but as you can see, the door seal finally blew away. And like and subscribe. If you want to see me destroy the Werther washer, the gold, this golden washing machine, this Werther washing machine I picked up. Wait straight, find out, but big control, heck of a huge control. This one's a huge controller. That how outstanding that controller survived. Through this is the front. This is probably must be the door. Yep, this is the door. This is the front. And this is the from the top. It's probably dead now. So yeah, see you later. Bye.